All right, welcome to Shitcoin Talk, episode 26. It's going to be action-packed, great, awesome. It's just me and Ambroid today. What's up, chart guy?
Not much. I'm feeling lonely, man. Where the fuck is
it? It's really
everyone?
awkward in here. I don't know. This is our half-year episode.
Passing it off to the third person.
Yes. Yep. Yeah, it could be you. I'm just kidding. All right. Well, yeah, it's great to see you, man.
Yeah.
So good to have you.
Thanks.
So I get. God damn it! This is how it's gonna be the whole.
No, serious. When I was here, like the first fucking time when you invited me, I would never have imagined I would be the only guest. Sometime later.
Now you're here. I know. Yep. Everyone else fell off. Everyone else got too popular and cool for us.
Everyone's launching their own ICO. You mean?
Yeah. Yeah. Everyone's launching an ICO, dude. They're crazy. So we got a few donations again from Verthog OG. Thanks, man. Fuck, someone else did too, and I need to. I'll find their name in a little bit. Appreciate it so much. He wanted us to look at Ethereum Classic, Nav, or Databits. Although we did Databits last week, so maybe we'll look at the other two. First off.
All right. Let me just share my screen and let's get right
Chart
to
guy.
it. Oh boy.
Yeah. Ethereum Classics got kind of interesting this week after they launched their investment fund or whatever it is.
Yeah, really.
That's about all I know.
Pumped the fucking coin, man.
Yeah. Barry Silver started tweeting again.
The tweet from Barry was hilarious. Like, he just tweeted 1, 2, 3, and everyone started going all in.
1, 2, 3. Let's do it. Yeah, no, that's it definitely took off this week on some pretty big news. So
yeah, I could go on with ETC because I've got 3 charts for it, man. It's just so interesting, the whole dynamic.
Yeah,
because
it's so weird. Yeah.
Yeah, against BTC, you can see it just testing. It breaks out through a horizontal resistance, tests it, and then keeps going.
Just throws it back.
Right. So if you look at ETC USD, then you've got nothing in a resistance.
Yeah,
And the main resistance I'm looking at right now actually is this chart, I think. Oh God.
Oh
yeah, this is it. Yeah. So ETH.
Oh, the FETC market. Yeah.
It's the Ethereum that's holding ETC back, kinda. I think Ethereum is pumping only to keep the ratio down below 0.1.
Yeah, it's crazy. They were pumping in tandem too, so it's a really interesting chart. That one's weird. I don't think enough people look at this one because it's just kind of different.
Yeah. So the thing is, if we break out above 0.3 in the ratio, there's not much resistance above. Because all this is just the wicks from when Ethereum Classic was created, basically.
Yeah. So then we're going to see parity.
Yep. No joke, man. All right.
Yeah. Yeah. That's, I don't know. Yeah. You can just follow Barry Silver if you want to make some money, basically. Is what it comes down
have
to.
him on Notify.
Yeah. At all hours of the night, dude. Good old Barry. Nav coin is another one we should do real quick.
Yeah.
Then we'll get into the other Twitter picks, but I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure they have they're still under active development and stuff. I'm pretty sure, and they're still on Poloniex, so that's always a good thing.
They had a new release recently, even. So, what I did was I bought the new all-time high, basically. So I'm a bit underwater, but I think it will go higher because it bumped on news, so that's interesting.
Right. Yeah. Buying the all-time high. It seems like a stupid move if you like, but if you really think about it. But like, I mean,
No, it's
game
not.
broke the all-time high, and then it friggin' doubled from there. So I mean, it's in this like, it's going crazy. It's not a bad idea at all.
Yeah, so
So, yeah,
just
there's game.
buy the all-time high. Yeah, even on let's say Ardor.
Strat. I mean, yeah, Ardor too.
Yes,
Yeah.
if you ignore this bullshit right here, like
This
this was
Godson
people
wick.
dumping free money. No, this was the NXT swap basically. So people were dumping
Yeah.
free money. I was one of them.
Yeah, you got to.
Yep. So
Yeah, buying the all-time high. It's pretty crazy.
what was the latest all-time high strat you mentioned?
I said Strat because that one just continually broke all-time highs over
Yeah.
and over and over.
Yeah. So this was the Bolo all-time high, but it was a bit higher if you counted Drake's in.
Yeah.
But either way, that was nice buy if you bought the breakout over here.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, some people got really mad when we talked about Strat last time because we were wrong about the master nodes or something. We got some pretty angry Twitter mail about that. So
Yeah, I don't care about that, man. I said it repeatedly. I don't fucking know what Strat is good for. I just know it's a good chart.
yeah, yeah, that's what it comes down to. That one's still holding on, so it's pretty interesting.
So how is your Mona doing? I haven't checked it.
Well, honestly, I don't know, dude. She's looking okay. Hurting a little bit.
Yeah, that doesn't look that horrid.
No, I think Segwit is a go. I think they've like already activated it, and I think it's so that's the news, and then it's just whatever it's gonna do now. My beloved Mona.
Oh god, sweet, such a stupid coin, man.
Hey, come on, man! It's the future. It's the future of cryptocurrency.
Is it?
All right. Yes, definitely is. Okay. So this might be a short episode. I'm not sure. I've never had only one guest, so we're just gonna read off the Twitter picks, and then we'll just do whatever the hell we want. We got Florid Coin, Syscoin, RADS, Wings, which was just added to Bittrex. I think we might talk about that one maybe. That one's pretty interesting. IOC made VLT, which is Veltor, Zero Cash, Ripple, Monero, Cure, Counterparty, and Myriad Coin. So yeah, everyone's favorite.
So what's everyone got against Ripple, man? I just got no idea.
I don't know.
I just don't know.
It's just some like rich guy coin. I don't know. Not so fast explained it one episode pretty well, and I just.
All right.
I don't know. I was never into it really.
I guess I'll look into it because I just don't know the fundamentals beyond it's trying to replace Swift or something.
Yeah, I don't know. I couldn't tell you. The distribution is apparently very controversial, and it's centralized, and they can reverse transactions. I believe. I haven't looked that far into it because that doesn't sound very interesting to me.
This breakout was nice, though.
Yeah.
You know what happened to me there? I bought.
I did.
Yep. I bought this breakout of the Head and Shoulders, and I was holding because the stop never hit. And on Thursday to Friday night, I got deleveraged because I was in too much profit.
on BitMEX.
On BitMEX. Yes, sir.
It's like a congratulations email. Your position has been auto closed.
Yeah, congratulations.
Try again
Fuck
later.
you.
Yeah, that's so funny. Deleveraged. You just got deleveraged,
Oh,
man.
God.
Winning too hard.
Yeah, so I'm
Yeah,
basically
that breakout was pretty interesting.
because I never e-bought.
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of hard to do that once you get deleveraged in the middle of a trade, I think.
Yeah, it's scary to re-enter so much higher.
I know.
So,
Yeah,
yeah.
I don't blame you.
So I'm missing
Yeah,
out.
it's pretty. I mean, I don't know. Ripple, I mean, everyone, the running joke is everyone hates it. I just haven't paid too much attention to it, but I don't know.
So you hate it just because everyone else does?
I'm just a freaking, yeah, I'm a bandwagoner, dude. I just do what everyone else does, you know? Just follow people's trades on Twitter. Just do shit like that. I don't know. Fuck Ripple.
Yeah,
I don't know. I just think there's other stuff that I could play with, you know, so.
Well, considering it's coin you can play on margin, it's not bad profits if you catch this bump.
On BitMEX, is it go up to 10? Is it 10 times leverage the max on there, or is it?
I don't know. I use 5 tops, so I don't care.
Okay. Yeah. No, that's safe. I think
it's too easy to get liquidated if you go higher.
Yeah, especially on there because the liquidity is not that great.
Yep.
So yeah, Ambroid wins so hard he gets deleveraged.
Oh God. It's the first time it happened. It's very interesting. Like waking up to a fuck you email veiled as a victory it's so awkward.
Yeah, I know. That's so weird. It's hella funny.
Yeah.
So I don't know why Ripple. I don't know why it's pumping, but it's doing something.
As far as I know, it's supposed to be something like Swift is in trouble or something. So it's becoming much more realistic for them to be a reality or something like that.
Yeah, use case for whatever they're trying to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can check out Florin Coin. I haven't talked about this one. I mean, we have a lot, but not recently, and it is sitting up there like. I mean, like the 15 and 1600. It's so weird.
That's the fucking thing. I mean, look, we wicked up here a lot of times, but we never closed above 1,000 on a weekly chart.
Yeah.
And now we're up there for over 3 weeks. If that's not bullish, then I don't know what. This is like buying a new all-time high, kind of, on a weekly. If you close above previous resistances, it's quite bullish.
Yeah, because there's no price action up there really, and now it's filling in the gap a little bit. Volume is looking pretty decent as well.
Yeah, if you look, it's all green candles.
Yeah, I know. I keep like scrolling back to that one, and I'm just like, what are you doing?
Let's look at this.
It's amazing.
Yeah, boy, if you look at the cloud, you got such a nice entry over here.
Yeah. I've been holding this one for longer than I'd like to admit, so I've got patience.
Yeah, and the competitor is basically library coin.
Yeah, library credits, yeah.
So if we compare the market caps, Florin is 2.5 mil, and LBC is how much? LBC is 5 mil, so
yeah.
And it looks bottomed out as well if you look at the chart.
Right.
So
they're
I think
pretty similar, but I mean, Florin Coin is mined, obviously. I don't know if LBC is mined or if it's like proof of stake. I really couldn't tell you.
I don't know. I just know that their emission is kind of fucked, so they had a lot of problems from getting...
I guess it is mined. Yeah, I'm not sure what it is doing right now, but Yeah. No, Florin coin's looking.
It should be here. No, it's not.
I know people were mining it when it was dumping like crazy because it was super profitable. But I'm not sure if it's still mineable or not. I guess we should do our own research.
Yeah. Well, I'm a chart guy, and I've got no problems admitting it, even though Sherlock thinks it's retarded. I think he's retarded. So, nah, it's all good. I'm just joking.
It's funny.
Yeah,
I don't. I thought I said somewhere.
I don't know. I don't even know what algo it is.
Yeah, maybe the troll box could help us out.
I just know the use case, and I'm in their beta site as well. It looks nice, and so does Alexandria from Flow. Like these are such solid projects, and they're so transparent. Library is so very transparent with their funds. It's so fresh and nice.
Yeah, and Alexandria is just kind of underdog. Just been continually being worked on for a while, and so it'll get its day soon.
Yep.
Yeah. So there's Flow and library credits. Boom, 2 in 1. Are you still happy about RADS? Are you still holding?
Yeah, I'm still holding. I actually rebought some because it's holding these levels so well. I rebought some around 100k. It got quite scary for a while because it dropped below 90k with the BTC bull run, but now it's looking decent again. And that's because mainly because of this pivot candle. I think it's gonna go up. This even looks like, now that I'm looking at it, this looks like a scallop, like this one over here, if you look at it.
Yeah.
So the thing is, scallop is only confirmed after the breakout from the top wick, right?
Right.
So that would mean going above 162 again.
Which I don't think is very far out at all. I mean,
yeah, until then, it's not a confirmed scallop. So people think it's scary to buy up here after this rise, but
right. Is there a time frame that it has to break out above that high, or does it really matter?
Yeah, it's basically until the next pattern develops. Like if you look at something going sideways for way too long, that's a sign that the pattern is just not developing.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a pretty cool point.
For example, this bullish pennant hasn't really worked out yet, because if you were to buy this breakout at, let's say, 100, you would be expecting it to go boom to 320k. That's still your target from buying this breakout over here. It's the height of the pattern. So this is your target right here. So that's 3x from here, basically. You're still waiting for that. It looks like it's not happening anytime soon. New pattern is developing, and the target from that would be something less, looks like. Yeah, so a 2x instead. Still a new high.
So, I mean, you're still waiting for...
Yeah, I'm still waiting. I think this is a long hold, because it's got one of these few developers in the scene that are decent, that also have a Twitter presence. Yeah.
Yeah, no, the coin supply is in at 3.2 million RADs available and market cap of almost 5 million even. So I honestly like the smaller supplies. I think that's pretty cool. So
So you still
yeah,
holding
no,
it as
that's
well?
one to keep your eye on. Unfortunately, I got shaken out of all of my altcoin
Oh
positions
yeah.
like a week or two ago because someone tried to get into my T-Mobile account.
It
So
looks like a
I'm
decent
trying to
rebuy
get.
for
Yeah,
now.
yeah. Actually, this is where I originally bought a while ago. So I'm
Oh.
considering getting back in. So yeah, no, good thing we looked at it today. Thank you, Twitter.
Nice.
Thank you so much. Yeah, no, that's one to be watching, I think, for sure. So Wings was launched on Bittrex like 2 or 3 days ago.
Yep.
Do you know anything about it?
Nope. I only
I
know it
don't.
was
I'm pretty
brewing
sure.
for a long time, wasn't it?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that it's like another DAO, but I really couldn't tell you. I just know that they have unicorns from their Bitcoin talk thread.
What? They have
Yeah,
unicorns?
I guess so. And I saw that it bounced hard from 5,500. I think the ICO price was about 2,300 or 2,400.
Yeah,
So
that's
I
all.
was kind of looking to get in because Arc worked out so well for people that bought when it got listed. I think if you got in at 5,500 or anything, like, looked pretty good. Got pretty decent volume on opening day and stuff. So I
Yep.
need to do a little research on this one, but the way that like Data Bits has worked out, Arc has worked out, I really don't know if you can go wrong with
Yeah, Trexit's just
buying
gone.
something. Yeah.
And it's
No
been,
shit.
I think it's been ever since JUp is in charge of the coin ads, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like
No, they
that's
are.
basically when Trexit stopped happening.
Yeah. It was yeah, about this time, yeah. PIVX took off and a lot of shit turned around. Yeah. Kind of got into it with JAP a little bit last night. I feel bad. Sorry, JAP. But no, we definitely turning it around for sure.
Yeah,
Arc went like 30 or 15 times or something from the opening day. So Trexit is definitely a thing of the past, I think.
I still got a heavy heart for them employing a person who's got his own project listed.
Yeah, the lines are blurred a little bit.
And this is only because of their previous statements that they will never let a person employed trade on their own exchange. Like
right. I don't think that's a problem with JUp, or it's more of like the tricks kind of. Yeah, I'm not sure. It's not really my place to say, I suppose, but I understand people's like kind of feelings about that. It is kind of weird, but I mean, yeah, JUp's. I mean, he's doing more good than I think Vitrix has done in
yeah,
a
and I
while.
guess
So
we'll never get a statement from them considering how they acted with the listings today.
yeah, I know. Yeah, they're coming up. They got some stuff to work on yet, but I definitely appreciate what JUp is doing over there for sure. Yeah, I think even if Bittrex just communicated better, like they don't even use their own Twitter account anymore. So it's just simple stuff like that, not tweeting out delisting notices at 1 o'clock in the morning and shit like that. But
It was
I mean,
actually a fresh surprise for me because I keep getting the listing notices at 3 a.m.
oh, a little
So
earlier
fuck
this time.
you, Americans, for once.
Yeah. No,
'Cause-
yeah, I kind of got into it with JUp last night, but yeah, I'm sorry, man. It was Friday night party night. I was a little feisty. As for Wings, I'm looking. I got some bids up about 6,000 or 5,500, just a little bit to get in. So I'm interested for sure.
Yeah, if you look at it, it's squeezing right now. So maybe some action soon.
Same thing with Databits. Databits was squeezing for a long time, like for like a week or two.
This
It's
looks
like
so similar to databits. Where is it? Someone
I wonder-
requested it, didn't they?
Yeah, we did it. We talked about it last week. It was Verthog wanted us to talk about it. There's not really much to talk about until they actually start releasing some stuff.
Yeah, they're
But yeah, you can
releasing
see-
all these tiny trailer slash teasers.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, see that one was ranging pretty tight there from between 16 and 18,000.
Yeah,
That was
that's what I bought as
worked
well.
out pretty well.
I bought around
Yeah.
16K, I think. Someone somehow got hit on the bids.
I'm not gonna lie, I market bought. Someone was selling like a few thousand of them at 18,000. I just took them.
Yeah, no wonder.
So
I
yeah,
think that-
no,
I
these
think that-
Bittrex listings are
Yeah,
these are looking pretty solid. I'm glad they listed database right off the bat too. That really, at least they have an idea of what's going on. And
I
what's
actually
coming out and
expected
stuff, so-
Polo to list it by now because they've got all the gaming
Yeah.
tokens.
They haven't listed hardly anything. They're listing Genosis, or is that what's called Genosis? I don't know about that one, man. I don't even. There's so much to talk about. I'll look somewhere else. I don't even know. I don't understand. I just don't get it, man. But so yeah, Wings. Do your research on that one. That one looks pretty interesting for sure.
Yeah, it's been out in the making for quite a while. Basically, it's been around as long as I am. Even I heard it. I heard about it for the first time when I was very fresh. So that was autumn.
Yeah, I've seen the thread being bumped a few times on Bitcoin Talk, but I've hardly looked into it. It's been in development for a while and finally went live. So
Finally on an exchange.
I'm watching it. Yeah. We were looking at VLT before the show. You thought Veltor looked decent. It's only on Biobit as far as I can tell, which is kind of weird because you would think Cryptopia or someone else would end up listing it, or unless I'm wrong.
But it seems VLT Veltor. Markets only Obit. Yep.
Yeah, weird.
And the price is $1.
$1, baby. Yeah.
Oh God, I didn't save my chart. It seems. Fuck.
Uh-oh. God damn it, chart guy.
I'll remake it, and yep, there we go.
Yeah, this one was controversial because a chicken was shilling it for a while, and a lot of people didn't like that. But I don't know.
Yeah, that's always a good sell signal.
Yeah, but I don't know if he's still in or not. He can't hold a bag for more than a few days, so he's probably out.
Yeah, he's a fucking day trader, man. Just ignore him. Even
Day trading on Yobit.
Yeah, that's the fucking joke in the first place.
Man, that's hella funny. I don't know much about this. I thought this one was had some really crazy block times, like 20-minute block times or something like that. But I couldn't tell you much about it really. It was just requested.
Yeah, I don't know much about fundamentals either. I mean, look at
Congrats
this
to
chart.
whoever bought at 2,500. I mean,
Yeah, boy. Where was the low?
maybe that's the red chicken candle right there.
Even
The big red chicken
yeah,
candle.
well, if you look at the fucking volume, you just couldn't basically buy it over here. It was
Yeah.
non-existent.
Yeah, that's pretty weird. Don't know much about it though. Sorry.
Yeah, so chart-wise, it looks nice. It's actually got an uptrend on the Obit. So
On Yobit, we have to put the disclaimer there. On Yobit.
basically, if you look at the cloud, it's been acting solid support throughout the whole trend. So buy it even right here and keep your stop below the cloud at all times. And you should be all right, I guess.
On Yobit.
on Yobit. If you actually are the advantageous person who sends BTC there.
Yeah,
You
I
might
know.
never get it back.
Honestly, I've had like a self-sustaining Yobit experience where like I put Bitcoin on there a few times and I've just been playing really shitty coins and I've never had to end up putting money on there and still have some. So it's thankful for that. All my withdrawals have gone through, so I'm okay on Yobit.
Yeah, I'm not even.
Someone asked in the troll box if we're going to talk about zero cash, which we are. We're definitely going to talk about zero cash.
I was skeptical
in
yesterday, but now it's looking very solid.
Yep, I am in because of a cloud mining contract gone wrong. So I am in.
Yeah, boy, my half a Zcash is so ready for this pump.
Yeah. Yeah, $30. 1%. Yeah.
I'm never getting that money back, man.
No.
Oh God. Yeah. So basically, this should be something like $100 or already. Jesus Christ.
I'm pretty sure it hit $100 USD today.
Yep.
Yep. 102.
Ooh, this is nice. Yeah, look at this. This looks even better with dollar. I should have charted it with dollar in the first place. I mean, look.
Yeah,
it just never broke down.
I always forget to just look at the USDT market.
I fucked up, man. That was so clear. Oh God.
Oh my. Okay.
Yeah, you just bought the cloud support and never looked back. And this made me skeptical. Like we broke below the cloud, but that's because of BTC pumping, nothing else. The trend's been so clear with on dollar.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
No, I definitely agree.
There's even a trend line, I think. Look. So nice. Yeah, I'm saving this.
Yeah, I need to start paying attention to the USDT markets because.
Yeah, I've actually been paying attention to USD with Ethereum because it's just got a life of its own. And
yeah, no joke. I mean, if it's same thing with like Litecoin too. It's like because I remember on OKCoin, they opened up 20 times margin again, and so when Bitcoin was going up, if Litecoin stayed the same price, then you still got USD. But when they were both pumping, it's just like money party, dude. Yep. That's what's happening with ETH. Fucking money party over here.
Monero as well, I think. I've got a chart for that.
Oh yeah.
All the big market caps basically, they are becoming self-sustaining, and they are starting to ignore the Bitcoin peg, basically.
Yeah.
And what I mean by that is that the markets are starting to have enough liquidity on their own.
Yeah, so the Bitcoin price doesn't.
So let's go mega bull, and if this bad boy actually happens, like this looks like a cup and handle.
God. Yeah.
With the shakeout, now it's breaking out. So let's just place it above here, and it should be the target is $35. Yep.
Yeah, that's kind of interesting because if it's
like
$35
median line.
But if Bitcoin is going up, then this one stays the same. I don't know. USD just adds a whole nother thing to it. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's just like in Forex, you could get USD JPY bullish, but USD Euro bearish, and then you have the Euro JPY pairing, which could just be fucked up all over the place.
Yeah,
it's just such
too many pairings.
Yeah, if you look at the ETH, it's got its own pairings basically. So
and on Bittrex now too, they just added ETH pairings on Bittrex as well.
Yeah, they did. They did, didn't
Yeah,
they?
I saw that yesterday. I actually logged into Bittrex and was just like, oh my god.
I mean, if you're a hardcore gangster and that loves Ethereum, you could just ignore BTC right now, basically, and you could just be
Yeah.
making money. Like, buy every new fucking ICO that comes out on Ethereum and go swim in your bathtub full of imaginary money.
Full of smart contracts. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is weird. I didn't know that Bittrex did that, and then I saw it, I was like, oh my god. Yeah, there's ARC. That one was weird. I still can't I don't understand what happened when it dumped like that. And there was just a big, huge sell. There's, I guess, 60 or 70 Bitcoin sell wall at 10,000. Then it just instantly bounced back. That was weird. I don't know what happened.
It's always some angry fucker who just wants to get rid of his bag.
Yeah. It must be a Lisk whale or something like that. I don't know.
So, next.
How about Counterparty?
XCP.
Baby.
I didn't save the fucking chart, did I? I made one before the show, and I didn't save it. On daily, I said daily. Yeah, looks good. Looks real good. Actually, just broke out of the cloud. Maybe it'll stop going sideways. This, I remember this one looked like kind of a fractal. Let me find it.
Oh, yeah.
Can you see it?
Yes.
I think you can. Yeah. It's just much bigger.
I know there's a certain Loom Dart that was talking about XCP a lot lately. I understand why, for sure.
Well, when he's bullish on something, it's not a bad idea to buy it. I mean, look at it this way. It's a stable coin on Poloniex that did not get delisted. It doesn't have a huge market cap.
Right.
Yeah, so it doesn't have a huge market cap. Good traders bullish on it. It's got its own exchange with the counterparty shit.
Databits is on Counterparty, I believe, as well. So it's
a lot of people were buying it before it was listed.
Yeah. Because on the on their exchange.
It was the biggest market for databits before Trex, I think.
Yeah. Yeah, that's an interesting one for sure.
They've got a lot of things going for them, and they might be cheap also right now also because they are based on Bitcoin, which was flooded to hell.
Yeah. Yep, it's definitely understandable. Because the long confirmed times and stuff was actually kind of messing up things like Counterparty, I believe, and Omni as well. So it's they haven't been moving around much. I don't think it's a bad idea to look into Counterparty.
Yep, I like it. I'm in, actually. I bought some at 300K. Because it looks like it was the bottom for quite a few weeks. This almost looks like a tweezer bottom from candlestick patterns, which is bullish. And what you do with the tweezer bottom, you just buy, and you've got a stop below the wick, which is, let's say, 270K. So you're in for a decent risk, I think.
Yeah, I agree. It's been around forever as well, so I don't think it's at any risk to get delisted from any exchanges or anything like that. So I think it's a pretty safe bet. So there's your counterparty. See it. Let me find the list again. We could hit like maybe one more. Do a little roundup. Do a shout outs to the other person who tipped us. Wrap it up. We did Monero and Ripple. How about MAID Safe? I haven't really talked about that one much. I've got a super
secret MAID chart. Let me look. This is
shitcoin talk exclusive.
Yeah, boy. I've been charting it like this, like super slow.
Jesus.
Stochastic RSI.
Yeah.
When it crosses over, you just go and market buy.
And it's weird because this one, I mean, it was down at 3,000 for a while, but I mean, it's been maintaining this pretty big range, I suppose. But I mean, yeah, it's consistently been just hitting the tops and bottoms of this range. So it's
maybe like this, which is bearish, but you're ignoring some wicks. Or like this,
right.
But this one's got a lot of open space, which I don't like. So you just go fuck it. Only keep this trend line on. But in the first place, how I've been charting, I've not been trading back here, so it's just historic backtesting. But buy the crossover and sell when it closes below this whole moving average or any other moving average of your preference, basically, and you're in for some decent trend following money. You will of course be in some losses, which is understandable.
Yeah,
but otherwise it looks solid. I think it's got resistance ahead of it right now. This one around 20k, and
yeah, the 20k resistance would be gonna be tricky.
This was a pitchfork I drew, and I remember I had a pitchfork like this as well. So yeah, this one's nice actually. Look how nicely it almost
bounced right.
Yep. So
yeah, I didn't realize that MAID's market cap was over. It's $118 million.
Yeah, it's a big one. It's a big one.
Yeah, you have almost 500 million coins. I never thought it was that big, but god damn.
Massive array of internet disks.
Yes,
I never
massive
knew
array
that's
of internet
what it stands
disks.
for. Yeah.
Oh, it does. Oh my god. Massive
Nice.
array of internet disks, dude. Nice. We learned something new today, dude. We're done. We are done. No, that's
someone wanted
that either.
Someone wanted mining special.
Yeah,
So,
and it sucks that Crypto Juggler and Not So Fast aren't here.
yeah.
Well, they asked about folding coin, and then they wanted to know about mining, so we can't talk about folding coin, unfortunately. But we can talk about mining stuff. Are you currently mining anything right now?
I'm still mining NETKO.
NETKO.
Yes.
Yeah, I saw they're backed by a small business now.
No, they were developed by a small business.
They just can't keep up, dude.
Yeah, I'm only keeping up because I'm mining. It's kind of different. I keep up to the shit I'm holding sometimes, but if I'm supposed to fucking mine it, I should know the fundamentals.
Yeah,
because it's my electricity I'm paying for, basically.
Yeah, I know it does get kind of spendy. What algorithm is that?
Blake.
Blake.
It's Blake too, so,
So you got some
it's
some
limited.
cards running, or is that a CPU?
No, I've got it on NVIDIA card, and
Nice.
I've actually bought some more cards yesterday to build my own first mining rig. So go me.
Hell yeah. I have
Yeah.
been lacking on mining anything, unfortunately. Although I keep seeing people talking about these Baikal miners. Like, I am seriously considering
Yeah, I
getting
want
one.
Yeah,
I want
I
one so
want one.
bad. Not so fast as naming has a bunch of different names, and I'm just like, I wish I
Yeah,
had a
there
miner to
are
name.
so many good X11 coins out there. It's just impossible to lose money by buying a Baikal, I think.
Yeah,
And that's why they've been getting more expensive.
yeah, I know. I should have jumped on that when I first saw it. Yeah, no,
I
there is a
didn't
lot
have
of
the free money back then.
the Baikals. I thought they did multiple algorithms, but maybe I'm wrong.
Oh yeah, they do
Maybe it is
6
just excellent.
algos.
Yeah.
They
Okay.
do
So that's
all
another
the X
reason.
algos. They do all the X
Yeah,
algos, which
X13.
is yep, and they do Quark as well. So
Yeah. Yeah. Sadly, I haven't rented hash for anything. I haven't mined anything. Just been kind of sitting around. But yeah, I'm really considering getting one of those miners. It'd be a fun project. Plus, you could just mine Dash forever.
yep, or monetary unit, or well,
Oh,
there are
yeah.
a lot of coins.
Yeah.
Well, monetary unit is Quark right now, and they're swapping to X11, so you can mine
Yeah.
it
Not a bad.
anyway.
Insta mine it for a sec. Yeah. Yeah. I'm not mining. Sadly, I've not really any new positions to speak of either.
And nothing to look at considering mining, like new releases or something. Because
I've tried to look at like the new stuff, but nothing has really caught my eye. I guess if I had the miner, then I would probably be more inclined to be looking. I think right now it's everything on the exchanges is going nuts, so I've just been keeping my eye on the exchanges.
I think Wyvern was a recent mining play that's been working out.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's one that's been on my radar as well.
Coin exchange, very low volumes so far though.
Yeah, and it's weird that like that's the second one we looked at that's only been on one exchange. Like you'd think Cryptopia and some of these other ones, so maybe it's just too early for them. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I've definitely heard a lot about Wyvern. So
you know why that is? It's because DOT's been getting expensive.
yeah, I saw that DOT dumped down to 40 sats yesterday. I was like, man, I should buy an exchange listing real quick.
Yeah, DOT's nice, but I guess we have to end, so we can't cover it for real.
Yeah, I know. Fuck, dude, this is like the third week in a row we've missed DOT.
Yeah, too bad, I guess.
Oh well. Next week we'll get them. We'll get them next week.
So thanks for having me, man. It was fun with
dude,
you.
Thanks. Yeah, it's fun. We're gonna cut it short. I think today we're gonna get out of here early, but we've got a tip jar. We got a we got a Twitter account. We got a YouTube. Like and subscribe and favorite us and write us nice comments and follow us on Twitter. The timestamp should be pretty easy to update today, so I'll get on that. Shit, yeah. Anything else? Any last words?
Am I dying or something?
Yeah, what are your last words, dude?
Oh God.
This is it.
Please buy my bags.
Okay, Godson. Yeah, that's half a year of Shitcoin Talks, episode 26 with me and Ambroid. So next week, same time, same place. We'll see you there.
Bye, guys.
Bye.